a very warm welcome to each and everyone present here. So I need to congratulate every single woman here, every single person who have joined this meeting. I know that everyone knows that we are celebrating the second successful anniversary of youth and community empowerment under women like WICCI. So let's start this program. Already we got late, but now I think we will be making this program an insightful evening, and we will come together and celebrate many more years, and we will mark many milestones further. So to start with, women hold a fundamental and transformative role in society, shaping communities, economics, and cultures across the world. Their contributions span all aspects of life, including family, education, health, and the workforce, making their involvement essential for the overall growth and progress of the society. So, Mominda ma'am, I will take a small permission from you to share my screen, which we have made, and under your guidance, I became successful to design it. So, happy anniversary to one and all. Today, we all know we are celebrating the second anniversary of Youth and Community Empowerment Council under WICCI, and congratulations to all our soul sisters. Now, I will mention what are our agendas. So, number one, we are having Journey of the Empowerment. Second, we have some special messages from our dignitaries. Third, our virtual hour ceremony. Fourth, our open mic session. Whoever is interested, we have got some of the proposals who are interested to speak out, to speak their heart out to our audience. And fifth one, the closing ceremony. It's a heart-wrenching ceremony for me, actually. Sixth one, networking and informal interaction. As we all said, YCC has always opened its doors for everyone, every single woman, every single man, every single creature, I should mention here, where we have come across a lot of life changing events, incidents we have faced, and YCC has created such a great platform to come here very unfiltered and make sure, like, when you are coming across all our soul sisters, you're getting a great aroma, a great vibe of life. So to continue with, I will mention some of the great characteristics of a woman. Like, we all know, mother is the centric attraction, attention. This is a centric energy of this world. So women traditionally, they have served as a nurturers and caregivers, and now also we also consider Mother Earth being a woman. She has nurtured us living this life. Women has also had a great contribution towards economic, in education, in our knowledge field. Women has become the great knowledge bearers. Then again, woman is also considered as an agent of social change. She is a cultural and moral anchor. A woman is a great example of healthcare and well-being. Now, WICCI. So, Women in Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been established years back, having a motive to create awareness among the women, to keep the woman upfront to the world, and to shine and bright to shine the brightest in the world. Women should be the shining stars. They should be considered as the shining stars. And our founder, Mrs. Harbin Arora, has made a successful impact on the same. And now we are reaching many countries of the world. Itself, I have seen myself in India, in every states perhaps. We are now getting connected, having all our soul sisters here, and YCC is a part of the same. I should say, YC is the heart of WICCI, what I consider, and also I think ma'am will also agree with the same. So let's uh, go through the message, the insightful message which Harvin Arora ma'am has sent for all of us. Hence, please allow me to present that video in front of you all.
Dear sisters and brothers at the Youth and Community Empowerment Council at Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, congratulations to everyone on this beautiful milestone. Thank you, Soul Sister Momita, the National President of the Council, all the National Council members, and all the state presidents, sisters and brothers, continuing your commitment towards ensuring that young people and the community can find meaningful ways to engage on a collective platform where each one can bring their voice, vision, and values towards ensuring that we co-create a better world for everyone. I am really looking forward to the award ceremonies today, which is honoring and recognizing people who have been taking empowering leadership positions in ensuring that the work of the council goes on. Not only the awards, there's also an open mic session. There are also networking sessions where each participant can find an opportunity to share what project they would like to lead, what initiative they would like to enact. Together, we are a beautiful community in solidarity, in co-creation, and in mutual empowerment, where we are finding synergies through our energies. And I congratulate all the leaders, all the presidents, and all the council members for continuing to inspire for 2 years and arriving at this milestone moment. Many more such milestone moments to all of you. May all of us thrive. May all of us lead. May all of us take ourselves to happiness and our communities and families as well. God bless you all. My regards and congratulations once again.
I should thank our founder, uh, Dr. Harbin Arora ma'am, for such a beautiful message, such an inspiring message to all of us. I hope you all have seen it and also got inspired from her voice of wisdom. So, next, I should mention that the woman, the importance of a woman in society is immeasurable. As they continue to break barriers and challenge traditional roles, their contributions are vital to achieving a balanced, progressive, and harmonious world. Societies that empower women, ensuring equal rights and opportunities, not only promote fairness but also accelerate growth and development for everyone. So, the beautiful body of WICCI has been YCEC. So, I will request our National President, Ms. Momita Chakraborty ma'am, as she is here to deliver us words of wisdom and to inspire us more. As till now, she has been a guiding light to every single soul sisters here. So, ma'am, please continue and please speak to us and spread all your wise ideas, your nurturing like filaments to all of us, ma'am.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Very good evening to one and all present here, and wishing all my dear Team YCC members a very happy second anniversary. I hope you all are well. Thank you so much, Shilpa, our state president of Odisha, for taking this forward and preparing everything. And thank you to our chief soul sister, Dr. Harbin Arora Rai, for sending us a beautiful message on our second anniversary. This is our council formation day. It was actually on 6th September, but as we were all busy in our work, so today is the day where we have all united to celebrate the second anniversary of YCEC. So I am in an area where there is a lot of network fluctuation, and even not in a place where the light is good, but I hope that my heart and my soul reaches out to each one of you, And thank you so much for being an integral part of YCEC Wiki. It's been 2 years now, and we are moving ahead with such positivity, optimism, strength, diversity. And we have state presidents leading from all over India, starting from MP to Delhi to Orissa to West Bengal to Assam. And we have 180 plus members from all over India, including national council members, state council members. And I'm so thankful to each one of you for being active and taking things forward, doing so many programs, starting from a state level to national level. And collectively, we strengthen each one of us. So thank you so much for being an integral part of YCC. Happy anniversary to one and all. Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was very pleasant. You being the guiding source, our go-to person, I will say, for me at least, and uh, being a source where we are getting energized. It's not only the help we need for the council, but also life skills. So, ma'am, I was saying you were always there, regardless of time, regardless of any situations. You have guided us. So we think we will be continuing this part, and we will be continuing your legacy, what you have always taught us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this beautiful message. Now coming towards, let me share the screen, everyone. Is my screen visible to everyone? Yes. So now, heading towards this, as we have an virtual award ceremony. Now I will, ma'am, with your permission, can I show the virtual certificates and declare the name of the leaders or the awardees?
Absolutely, Shilpa. Please go ahead.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. So for young leaders creating a better world for all, it's an award presented by YCC Jagruti Doshai. Thank you, congratulations, Jagruti. You have been awarded as a young leader creating a better world for all by YCC. I would ask everyone, please give um, like congratulate Jagruti and like improve her confidence with our appreciations. I would ask everyone, please come like if you all can open your camera, we really want to see Jagruti, please. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, Jagruti. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jagriti.
Congratulations, Agati.
Congratulations.
Is my screen visible to all?
Congratulations, Jagriti.
Yes, Shilpa, your screen is visible.
Thank you. Then coming forward for the next award, that is Young Leaders Creating a Better World for All, we have Sneha Bhandari. Congratulations, Sneha. The award has been presented to you by YCEC. Congratulations, Sneha. I would request everyone to congratulate Sneha again. Then we have Young Leaders Creating a Better World for All again, Sakshi Garg. Congratulations, Sakshi.
Oh, thank you so much.
Congratulations, Sakshi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then we have Iconic Woman Creating a Better World for All. We have Jivita K. Congratulations, Jivita. Jivita Priya.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Then we have Iconic Women Creating a Better World for All. Shri Preeti M. Congratulations, Preeti.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Congrats.
Congrats, Preeti. Congrats.
Then we have iconic women creating a better world for all, none other than our beautiful state president of Madhya Pradesh, Nivedita Chauhan. Congratulations, Nivedita.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations,
Nivedita
Nivedita.
is definitely
Thank you
creating a
so
better
much.
world. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, everyone. Thank you so much. All because of you all.
Then we have young leaders creating a better world for all from Nidhi Nidhi. Congratulations, Nidhi.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Nidhi.
Congrats. Congrats.
Then we have iconic woman creating a better world for all, Ambika Srivastava. Congratulations, Ambika.
Congrats. Congrats, Ambika.
Congrats, Ambika ji.
Then we have iconic woman creating a better world for all, Sharada Kumar. Congratulations, Sada ma'am.
Congratulations, Shraddha Kumar ji.
Then we have iconic woman creating a better world for all, Kong- Akarshika Sharma. Congratulations, Akarshika.
Congrats,
Thank you so
Akarshika.
much. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Congratulations to
Akashika.
everybody. Thank you, ma'am.
Then we have young leaders creating a better world for all, Advocate Shilpa Achari, none other than me. Thank you
Happy
so much,
Shilpa.
ma'am, for
Congratulations,
considering the
Shilpa.
Congrats,
same.
Shilpa.
Yes, congrats,
I'm
Shilpa.
really blessed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then, guys, we have some awards for our great leaders that is being awarded by our WICCI President, Dr. Harvin Arora Rai ma'am. So, let me present you the first award goes to the exceptional women of excellence. Our national president for YCC, Momita Chakraborty ma'am, has been awarded for exceptional women of excellence. Congratulations, ma'am. You truly
Thank you
deserve
so
the same.
much.
Congrats,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank
much.
Clap,
Congratulations, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, everybody. It's
Congratulations.
all because of all of you.
Then we have for young leaders creating a better world for all, we have Sneha Bhandari. Congratulations again, Sneha.
Congratulations.
Then we have the next award for iconic leaders creating a better world for all. The award goes to Sri Preeti M. Preeti, congratulations again.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Congrats.
Next we have young leaders creating a better world for all. The award goes to, sorry, Sakshi Gar. Congratulations, Sakshi.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Then we have iconic leaders creating a better world for all. Miss Jivita Priya. Congratulations, Jivita ma'am.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thanks a lot.
Congrats, Jivita.
Momita, ma'am.
Then we have iconic leaders creating a better world for all. Ambika Srivastava. Ambika ma'am, congratulations again. Next we have
Congratulations.
young leaders creating a better world for all. Advocate Shilpa Achari. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, Shilpa.
Truly blessed. Couldn't have asked for more. Thank you so much. Next we have iconic leaders creating a better world for all. Soham Banerjee. Congratulations, Soham.
Congrats, Soham.
Thank you so much. All credit
Congrats,
goes to
Soham.
you.
Congratulations,
Now,
Soham.
I would mention some of our objectives of WICCI and YCC. So, I have picked some like very less objectives. I know there are a lot. For me, and for within my short knowledge, the objective of WICCI and YCC goes with women empowerment. Empowering a woman means giving a sword to the world undefeated. Next, to create rising stars. Third objective is networking. The more women will network within themselves, they will create a better and peaceful world, building a better and safe society for women. Women being empowered, women fighting for themselves can create a better and safe society not only for the woman but also for every creature of this world, because we do consider woman as the best healer, best caretaker, best nurturer of this world. Next, woman and child education. A child being educated regardless of any gender, and a woman being educated, see, do educate the whole family, and like this process continues, the whole society become educated, and we are shining with all our knowledge and creating a safe and better place for everyone to live. And not a last thing I will say, but to provide equal opportunities in various domains of a country, of a nation, to make the nation more developed and to create a better future of the nation. Then, coming towards, as we have in our agenda, we will have an open mic session. So I will be requesting our dear brother, Mr. Soham Banerjee, to speak something about his own thoughts and to deliver his insightful thought to all of us. Please, Soham.
Hi, Shilpaji. Thank you so much for your kind words. At first, I
Thank
would like to convey my deep regards to one and only our Momita ma'am, because whatever I learned from Wiki is because of her. My cordial regards to Harbin Arorai ma'am and Momita ma'am for all the support, guidance, and also till now they are guiding me. So I'm really looking forward. I hope I could do more better in the upcoming year and this year. Thank you so much. All the best to everyone and best wishes to all. I am blessed to be a little part of this wonderful family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Soham, for your kind words. You are truly an amazing person we have seen, and a person like you actually motivates people surrounded by you to be more active and more zealous towards gaining knowledge. Thank you so much, Soham. I would request uh, people present here who wants to come forward and present some beautiful words to our audience. Please come forward. The stage is all yours. The domain is all yours. Please come forward and speak something. I would request Jivita ma'am to say something and to share her insightful thoughts with us. It will be a great session, ma'am.
Yeah, Shilpa.
Thank you, Jivita ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you for making me, this certificates and the support, whatever I'm getting it from WICCI and whatever the work you people are doing, it is amazing. I'm literally, I can't able to express my happiness and the gratitude, whatever have with WICCI and Maumita ma'am and Shilpa. It is both of you are extremely good. Thank you for the support and the guidance, whatever we are getting it. And we need more guidance from you, how we can able to initiate more things. And 2 years is not a small time with WICCI for the successful second year. The efforts, whatever you put it across, and I see every week where Momita ma'am used to have the discussion in terms of how to empower women and how to have the mental health or related so many insights through her videos where I could able to implement in the work. And that is helping for the people who are in public or to my colleagues or my friends where those insights are very very helpful to get into the thought process. Thank you and congratulations, and once again happy anniversary to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jivita ma'am, for your kind words. It was really very adorable, and we are also happy to um, have you with us. Thank you so much. Now I
Thank
would request Akarshika ma'am to speak some of her kind words to us. Please, ma'am.
Hi, I'm so sorry, cannot turn on the video because just having my meal in Bali right now. So I'm not able to open the camera, but I would like to thank all of you. Thank you, Shilpa ma'am, for taking out time and putting so much of effort to reach out to all of us for this ceremony. I would like to also thank Momita ma'am, as she is the only person I feel free to approach to, and she's always available, whether it's on call, it's on message, mail, anywhere. So being an approachable leader is one of the finest thing that we can have as a team. Thank you so much to everybody, and I think we are moving forward great. 2 years can be said as a short time, or you can long time, or you can say a very short period of time. And in such period of time, we have a good number of women from all over the country coming together, putting efforts and taking out time for all these things. Because whenever I talk to people, they are like, "What are we getting in return?" So you are those people who are not wanting anything in return and doing something selflessly. So thank you so much for this platform, and I would love to look forward to all of the events and things happening around. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Akashika ma'am. You have truly spoken your heart out, and it's very connecting. So thank you so much, and we will also look forward to, like, I seriously need, we should meet someday, and we should create some good events to express all our ideas.
Yes, same
Now
here.
I have a surprise for everyone. Though it's not for Momita ma'am, but still I will be presenting something to everyone. Uh, Please allow me. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, Shilpa. It's absolutely visible. And thank you so much, Soham, Akarshika, and everybody. Jivita ji, and those who have spoken their heart out. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me.
So now we have this.
Namaste, everyone. I hope you all are keeping well, both physically as well as mentally. I am Momita Chakraborty, founder and CEO of Destination Tours and Travels, and also representing the Youth and Community Empowerment Council under Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry as the national president, in short known as YCEC Wiki. Today we celebrate a wonderful milestone. Yes, it is our second anniversary. It has been 2 years since we came together with a shared vision to empower the youth and community around us. And what an incredible journey it has been. Thanks to all of your unwavering dedication and hard work, we have made significant strides in creating opportunities and fostering growth in our communities. Each of you have played crucial roles in our success, and for that, I'm truly grateful. As we reflect on our achievements, also let us look forward with optimism. The future is bright, and there is so much more we can accomplish together. Let's continue to drive positive changes and inspire those around us. Congratulations to everyone on this fantastic milestone, and here is to many more years of success and impactful work ahead. Thank you and best wishes. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing such a great video. I hope everyone here has a beautiful imagination of what life is, and also have a great agenda or a great motive towards life, because to deliver something to someone is the hardest thing, and to deliver a smile to every single person around you is the greatest serving from all. So now we are having Nivedita with us, so I will ask Nivedita, please, Nivedita, share something about your thoughts, about your motives, because we have seen you, you have always been an inspiring leader for us. So Nivedita, please.
Thank you so much, Shilpa, for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts. Well, I was not prepared, so I'll just blabber whatever comes to my mind. Uh, First of all, thank you to our national president for always encouraging me. He is indeed a guiding force for whatever I've been doing ever since I joined this great family. And before that, I would like to thank Akarshika, who has actually introduced me to this family and briefed me everything about it.
Thank you so
And
much.
Akarshika, I must say, since I'm talking about you, that I really appreciate the positive aggression you have uh, to do something right. And Momita, ma'am, over a period of time, I feel that she has become more like a friend to me in a way that I can share with her. I can also rat about things with her, about the event and about not getting approval, so on and so forth, which ma'am knows already. And Shilpa, I met you in Bhubaneswar in an event, and ever since that, I just knew that I have to keep you as a friend forever. You're such a sweet soul,
Thank you
and
so much.
thank you, Soham. Yes, Shilpa, thank you, Soham, for being an encouraging soul in the entire family. That you're so active that sometimes even when we are feeling lethargic to do something about um, the community, about ourselves, to organize events online, offline, you looking at you and the way you are actively involved in organizing and just keeping the name of the community forward. So it is very inspiring. And
Thank you so much.
Sakshi,
Thank you so much, Nivedita ji. But I genuinely tell you one thing. Whatever
yeah,
encouragement I receive from Momita ma'am. And recently I went to Bangalore. I meet her personally for the very first time, Momita ma'am and Rick. So I feel that warmth of a family. And then it's really encouraged me a lot to do more things. So I believe we have that warmth in our family to look forward and go forward. Thank you so much for your kind words.
We are
of
all
course,
a
one
big
always
family.
needs a mentor. One always needs a mentor to go forward, and ma'am is one. There is no doubt about it. Um, Sakshi, I have never met her. I've just met her in my own conference, and she's a wonderful woman. And I just knew that we clicked. And I hope to see you, all of you, in person and talk to you, discuss each other's ideas, and do something together, something big to take the name of our community forward and the nation forward. This is what I think. I don't have any specific idea as of now, but what I think that whatever I do, I'm contributing to the nation's growth in some way or the other. That has been my motive from the very beginning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nivedita. And I have been receiving a lot of, thankful messages from all of you, but I must admit that I've not done as much as you all have done for YCEC. I am trying my best, but I do not think that I'm anything special. We all are same, and whatever you are doing, I'm taking inspiration from all of you as well. So thank you so much for being so kind to me and appreciating my efforts. I'm just doing whatever you all are doing. I feel that I need not be thanked on a separate way. But yeah, thank you so much to everybody. Soham, Nivedita, Akarshika, Sakshi, Shilpa, everyone. Like you all have become a part of my family, and you will always be. And I'm really grateful to each one of you. Trust me, you all are my family now, and we will do something together to make the world a better place for all very soon, and we'll meet soon. We'll make sure that we'll meet soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But truly saying, I can really relate with everyone. When people say is like, yes, it's not easy to execute all your plans, but it's really become very, uh, I can say, cordial and very encouraging when you have a guiding force. So thank you for being that guiding force to us. That means a lot, ma'am, because getting that encouragement from someone like, yes, do it, and for getting that validation to express, maybe our thoughts, express our ideas, express our intentions are more than like what you have actually um, like giving us, what you are trying to like, you are always there to support us, and it's more than anything, ma'am. Thank you so much for this. And now, please allow me to share the screen again. So then, um, need to speak something about community engagement. I hope, as we are here, people are here from coming from different states, different corner of the nation, and I'm pretty sure everyone has a different essence of life. They have something very, very, very powerful in them. I hope and I believe that. I truly trust it. So, as we believe in the power of community and all the powers get when getting amalgamated with each other, I'm pretty much sure a wonders needs to happen, and it will surely happen in near future. So our programs has fostered strong connections among youth, families, and mentors. By engaging the community, we create a supportive environment that nurtures collaboration and collective growth. That's when we say networking is very, very, very important. Then coming to this path, 2 years, 24 months, to making it very, very, very much more specific, I will say YCC has crossed 10 lakhs 51,209 minutes, and I truly get inspired when I really think like in those every single minutes we have only thought of empowering our surrounding to serve our surrounding with the best we can ever do. Every journey comes with its challenges, from resource limitations to external obstacles. We have navigated various hurdles. However, each challenge has strengthened our resolve and taught us valuable lessons about adaptability and innovations. Hence, I would really express my gratitude to our national president, Ms. Momita Chakraborty, for always being that protecting umbrella to all of us and guided her the best ways she could ever can.
Thank you
Next,
so much, Shilpa. I'm overwhelmed. Thank
what
you.
we are looking ahead as we celebrate our achievements, we also look forward to the future. It's just the 2 years, guys. Our soul sisters, I believe. Let's celebrate the silver jubilee, golden jubilee, and diamond jubilee of YCC if we are alive. Then we will celebrate many more successful years, and we will serve more lives, and whatever we can do, whatever capability, whatever caliberity we are possessing, we should continue and spreading our legacy to make this world a better world. We also look forward to the future. Our goals include expanding our reach, enhancing our programs, and continuing to empower youth to become agents of change in their communities, and the journey continues. So now I will be submitting the same to Momita ma'am again to deliver her vote of thanks. So ma'am, please.
Hello. Thank you, Shilpa, for this wonderful presentation and heading this up, the second year anniversary celebration. I thank each one of you, and I think I've already mentioned that I'm so much thankful to you, Shilpa, especially for taking this ahead as I'm traveling and not in an area where the network is good. But thanks to you, to Sakshi, to Nivedita, to Soham, to Akarshika for making it so sweet. And I'm feeling overwhelmed. I generally get very shaky when I receive so much compliments, but I'm really thankful. I generally I don't know, get nervous when I receive any compliments, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I really appreciate your efforts for making this PPT presentation in such a short notice and taking it ahead so beautifully, Shilpa. So a lot of heartiest congratulations on the second anniversary, and once again thanks to you. Thanks to everybody who spoke their heart out on the open mic session. Congratulations to everybody who have received awards, and those who have not received it, better luck next time. Please work hard so that you receive it next time from Dr. Harbeen Arora Rai ma'am, as well as from my end. If I am there next year, congratulations to each one of you for being an integral part of YCC. Thank you, everybody. God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, guys, as we come to the close of this wonderful event, now it is my honor to extend a heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this program a grand success. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our founder, Dr. Haripin Aurora Rai ma'am. Her inspiring video have truly uplifted the significance of this occasion and also our council. Her invaluable insights have left us all with much of reflect on, and we are grateful for her time. And a very, very, very special thanks from all our core of hearts to Miss Momita Chakraborty ma'am, our national president for YCC, whose knowledge and expertise have added immense value to today's proceedings and throughout the year. Her contributions have been enlightening and thought provoking, and we are deeply thankful for her participations. Next, for I would express a big thank you for all of your tireless efforts and flawless coordinations behind all these scenes. All your dedications and hard works have made today's event smooth and successful, and YCC Council a remarkable council. Also, I would like to extend my appreciation to all our attendees and participations, also who have attended the open mic session and spoke their heart out. Thank you for your enthusiastic engagement and presence today. Your thought is what made this event very meaningful, and we hope we have found it as enriching as we have intended. Finally, a warm thanks to everyone present here for your time, attention, and support. Together, we Soul Sister have made this event a memorable one, and we look forward to all of your continued association in future. Once again, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you once again. So, namaste.
Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Silpaji, for excellent hosting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shilpa. It was nice.
Thank you so much,
Happy
Shilpa ji. Thank you.
anniversary, everybody,
Good night,
once
everyone.
again. Good
Happy
night.
anniversary.
Happy
To you all.
anniversary, everybody. Congratulations.
And I also like to thank Rick for his continuous effort, because in every meeting he joined and he do the recording and everything. I would like to congratulate and give my heartfelt thanks to dear brother Rick.
Thank you, Sohab, on his behalf. He tries his best to support me every time. And thank you for
Yes, no, I
appreciating.
saw that. I saw that in live.
Thank you, Sohab. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I hope
Thank
these
you so
2 years
much.
become 200 years.
Yeah, even if we are not alive. Thank you.
The legacy should continue, ma'am.
Absolutely true. Touch wood. We'll all take it forward together.
Sure. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.